Hello everyone, this is Muhammed Yildirim from Imtilak.
But this time in Ankara, in one of the biggest projects here with the most important construction companies, Simpaş. This project has many stages. 2 of them were delivered and others are under construction. We will see them together.
And after a successful delivery of the first and second stage, we have the third stage here, planned to be delivered very soon. 4 blocks, 2+1, 3+1, 4+1, it's a family project. Talking about the facilities and the services of the project, we have an artificial lake in the middle. We have an outdoor library and independent family corners. To be honest, it's very good for families, and we have a crosswalk in the middle. The residents of the project will benefit from the terrace over there that is meant for special occasions. Look at the modern style of the buildings, with this building that has a view to an important lake.
They're gonna show me now the sample flat of the project. Let's imagine together how my daily life would be in that flat. What do you think?
The lounge is pretty big, so I would invite all my beloved guests.
This is the book that I told you about. This is the old Ankara.
This reading room could be a cozy private meeting room.
Thank you, honey.
You know, my wife would love this highly modern designed kitchen.
Mr. Sami is a reasonable guy, no? And he liked the coffee. It was your idea about the coffee corner. It's really a good option. Anyway, see you. The shopping list.
Adam could have his own bedroom.
I told you not to play alone. We should have played together. Give me that ball. We'll play together, right? Sarah.
Sarah could have hers too.
Good morning. How are you, Sarah? It's time for school. Let's see our friends.
Just a second. We spent a very special day at Simpaş project. And we are having the last espresso at the shopping mall of the project. We have a shopping mall, many facilities, brands, restaurants, cafes, everything you need to live. If you want any detail, contact Imtilak.